Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to Designs by Stephanie. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you returning, welcome back. If you have not been here before, I would love to have you as part of the DBS family. Just click on that subscribe button below as well as the notification bell beside that. Don't forget to click on that all button on that notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos in the near future. Today I'm doing my Sunday's Best. I didn't load it yesterday. I didn't tape it yesterday. So I'm going to tape it today and load it today. For my Sunday's Best, I'm doing my Damo label printer. I really love this printer. It is this one, the Damo Label Writer 4XL. And I use it to print all my labels from Etsy, and then I use it as well for pirate print. You had to just go in and set it up. It uses the 4x6 labels. And you don't have to, I like it because you do not have to buy printer ink for it. It's laser, so you just have to have a special paper, and I guess it somehow burns it onto the paper from the heat from the printer. And it came with, I think, 1 pack of small labels. And then I found a company on Amazon, and I'll link it below where I get my labels from. They're very inexpensive. I got a pack of 6. It costs the same amount of buying 1 of the Damo brand labels, and they're comparable to those. And this is the brand of labels. SJ Pack Factory Direct Sale. It says comparable to Damo 4XL labels. And you get 6 in the pack, and it's the model 4X. And it's 220 labels per roll. And I haven't had any problem out of these labels whatsoever buying them. And I think the whole box of 6 of them were like, I swear it was like $20-some for 6 rolls. So I'll link that below. This is probably more my favorite than the printer. I won't say that, but it was a great find because those things are expensive. And this label can print, let's see, you can print the 4x6 labels on this. You can also print address labels, the 1 1/8 by 3 1/2. You can print shipping labels, the 2 1/8 by 4 inch. You can print the 9 16 and 3/78 file folder labels, multi-purpose labels like with the barcode, and you can print name badges with this, but 2 1/4 by 4 inch. So it has a lot of versatility. I wanted the one that had the 2 slots where you can put 2 different labels in it at once, but I don't think it came up. I don't think the bigger slot was a 4x6. I think it was smaller. Or maybe it was way too expensive and I couldn't afford that one at that time. It was just too much. I can't remember because that one was pricey. I'll link it all below in my Amazon affiliate store. Of course, with my Amazon affiliate store, it doesn't cost you anything to use the link. You just click on it, and then I just get a referral bonus for referring you to buy the product. So that will be linked below for the printer as well as the, well, not printer, they call it a label writer. For the label writer as well as for the economy SJ Pack labels. A good replacement. So if you have a Damo printer and you don't like buying those expensive labels, this is it for you. These what they look like once they have. I have one that I reprinted. They print when they print. This is what they look like. Just a 4x6 sheet, and you just peel it off, and it got the scanner codes on the bottom, and then the one at the top as well, and they're for the first class labels. So you can print any other labels on there, because sometimes I don't print first class. I print the cheaper ones, and it's sideways, like they print this way, and it doesn't have all that scan stuff on it. It just had a regular little 1 barcode like you do on your regular mail that you get in everyday mail. But anyway, that is it for my gem of the week as far as my favorite things. If you have your Etsy shop and you're looking to buy a printer, I highly recommend the Dymo 4X. Only thing I have an issue, sometimes it prints multiple labels at once. Every blue moon it'll print and 3 labels will come out instead of 1. They'll be blank. The first one will be printed, and then the 2 behind it, 2 or 3 that comes behind it will be blank, and I just have to roll it back in it. Not sure why it does that. I probably need to Google it and check to see if it's something wrong with my settings or something that's causing that. And it may be where I have my paper in there too far out. I don't know. I don't know what the issue is, but it started doing it. I don't know. It wasn't doing it initially, and then it started. Then it go a while and don't do it, and then do it again. But it's very annoying because I have to take it off and roll the paper back in there. But outside of that, that's the only issue I have with the printer. But anyway, thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. I always check them all and respond. And yeah, thank you for stopping by. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video tomorrow. Bye-bye.